This isn't just the loss of a few flowers. This is what happens when nature loses one of its smallest workers, and our world slowly begins to fall apart. When pollination stops, life in plants starts to fade. Crops fail, fields weaken, and agriculture takes a direct hit. And very soon, this crisis reaches us. Shelves that were once full become empty. This isn't just a food problem. It's the beginning of an ecosystem collapsing. But it's not too late. If we protect the bees, nature breathes again, and life returns.